Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a ClickUp account. Just simply open up your browser and type in clickup.com and you will be taken over to the official website of ClickUp. Now to create an account is super easy. Click on sign up on the upper right. Here you can just go ahead and enter your email address and click on sign up for free. Now you'll be taken into ClickUp where you can continue to set up your account. And so here you want to go ahead and just choose, for example, continue with your Google account, or you can fill out these details. I'm going to choose this option right here at the top to continue with the email. Scroll down, click on continue. And right here, you can just go ahead and just fill out these answers. So I'm going to just quickly fill out these. I'm going to just say for personal right here. Leave personal use right here as well. I'm going to just choose, for example, IT tools and all this good stuff right here. Invite. I will not invite anyone. As for the tools, I'm going to just go ahead and click on next as well and just go ahead and just proceed. These additional stuff, you can always go ahead and add them at a later point in time, but you can just choose whatever you see that you would like to use here and just go ahead and just get started with it, because it's going to create your new workspace with these things, but you can always add them at a later point. So for example, I'm going to leave it as this and click on finish, and you're going to see that it's going to quickly create my ClickUp. It's going to quickly create my ClickUp dashboard and log me right into my ClickUp profile here. And as you can see, it's currently loading, but this is ClickUp, guys. This is what you get when you sign up, when you register for ClickUp. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple. If you want, you can go ahead and watch this video so that you can learn how it works. Otherwise, if you're familiar with ClickUp already, or you have used it, or you find the process, or you like to explore, you can go ahead and just look around and find different things in ClickUp. But that's it.